Hello everyone, it's Raven with Creativity Uninhibited, and today I want to show you guys these kind of blingy, cute bookmarks I made. Now, I think they would make awesome gifts for bridesmaids, like if there's a wedding and you are making a bridesmaid's basket and you want to put something cute with journals and pens and different whatnots. I think these bookmarks would be excellent for that. But I just made it because I had this really pretty paper that I got as a hot buy from Michael's. I don't have the paper in front of me. I can't remember the name, so I will link the name of the paper in the description box. But I thought the paper was so pretty and I wanted to make something kind of elegant and blingy with it. So this is just a quick project share on what I actually did. So I used the paper, which is this pretty, let me show you one that I didn't really cover all the way. It's this pretty kind of marble papers, like gold and rose gold and a hint of blue in this paper. And my mom actually saw this one and she wanted it, so she just asked me to put her name in it, which I put in vinyl. Please excuse the noise. They are making smoothies in the background. So basically what I did was I got the pretty paper and I cut out a square. It's 2 inches by 7. And then I added this little circle. I did this on my Silhouette Cameo. Excuse this, I'm going to cover this with some ribbon, so they're still a little unfinished. But I created the file on my Silhouette Cameo. But if you go on Etsy, there are a lot of templates. People are selling SVGs and cut files for bookmarks. So this is something that can be easily created, you know, with a rectangle and a circle, or, you know, you can just buy the cut file. So I created it, cut it out in the paper. Then I took another, like this mauve kind of that's not rose gold, it's more mauve paper. And I actually stitched this. I put a little glue in the middle and I went on my sewing machine and I stitched around the mauve and I stitched around the edging of the marble paper just to add a cuter finish to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I cut off this little leaf, which is a file that I had on my Cameo, and added the rhinestones. So for the bow, I just really made 2 bows. These are 2 separate bows that I glued together and added this pretty little rhinestone chain to. So I did something different with all of them. I stitched these, and this is one I made without the stitching just to see what it looked like. My sister actually liked the ones with the stitching. She said it looks more finished. It looks more glamorous. And then I switched it up with the cream bow and I cut out a rose gold leaf and stitched around the paper really cute. And of course this one, I just added a name. So I kind of really like these. What I'm thinking I'm going to do is, excuse me, cut this out, but put a clear shaker or add some sequins in the middle, like make the middle part. Oh, see, my vinyl is coming up. Y'all, I put this vinyl on here, but I really feel like it needs to be covered in some type of plastic or what is that stuff? Clear contact paper, or it needs to be laminated, because I don't think this vinyl on this paper is gonna last. It's just regular Oracle 631, 651. I can't remember what it is, the permanent one. And I really don't think it's gonna last. So I may end up covering this in contact paper for my mom just so she can use it. I think she wants to use it for her Bible. So, oh, and this is another one I made. I actually made this leaf out of vinyl just to see what it looked like, see if it'll be easier to just stick it on. But I think the paper looks better. I think it's better to just glue the cardstock on there because I don't like the bubbles from the vinyl and I don't like how flat it is, so you can see some of the humps and bumps from the glue. It doesn't hide that. But overall, I thought this project was really cute. It's really simple. It's something elegant. I will be packaging these up and probably saving them for a craft fair I may have at the end of the year, closer to the end of this year, Haven't decided yet, but just want to come to you guys, show you this latest project, and let me know what you think in the comments. All right, see you guys later. Bye.